Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make s'mores cookies. So let's get started. Alright, so we are going to be starting with our dry ingredients in a bowl, and today I have cheated and used a cookie mix. It is a sugar cookie mix, but if you'd rather make that up if you have a recipe you want to use. But for now this is what I'm going to use, and we're going to move on to our wet ingredients and then our mix-ins. So we are going to be adding a stick of softened butter and then 1 egg. And then we are going to go ahead and mix that together. I'm using a hand mixer today. Alright, so it is mixed together and we have now a soft, very sticky dough, and we are ready for our mix-ins. So to make these s'more cookies, we are going to be using some milk chocolate, and I bought the mini chocolate bars, and then they break up into these mini Hershey bars. Perfect for our cookies. And then we have some crushed up graham crackers. You can't have s'mores without graham crackers. I just used honey graham crackers. Add that in. And then of course some marshmallows. I'm using some mini marshmallows today, and we're going to add those in. And it's going to be easiest done with my hands, so we'll go ahead and mix that in. This is our completed cookie dough, and we are now ready to bring in our cookie sheet and get these ready for the oven. Alright, so we have our cookie sheet here. This is ungreased, which is what my cookie mix directions said, and it's also a copper non-stick pan, so it should work good for this. And I'm using my cookie scoop today, but you can just use regular spoons if you don't have one. And we're going to put scoops on our tray. Here they are on our cookie sheet, and I've kind of patted them down a little to look like cookies, and they are ready for the oven. And I actually do have some more dough left. I'm going to put out another tray, so this makes a good number of cookies. And now I'm going to put them in the oven. Alright, here is a plate of our finished cookie. They look yummy, they taste yummy, and I hope you will try these for yourself. And we will see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye!